Hey y'all, I'm Zaria McQueen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you would like to get more information about this bomb bang wig that I'm rocking, then keep on watching. So the hair that I'm wearing is from ULAHAIR. They sent me over this bang wig. So in the package I got a pair of lashes, a rat tooth comb, as well as they gave you like this instruction card, more information about the hair, and they also included a wig cap that I did not use. So the wig is in 26 inches. It's 100% virgin hair. There's no lace in this wig, so that's a little different. I haven't had a wig without lace in a while, but that's cool. It came with 3 combs and it came with an adjustable strap as well as this like bra strap, but I usually don't use this one, so I went ahead and I removed that. And so now I'm just showing you how the hair looks straight out of the package. It was really soft, a lot of body, and I think that the wig, the bangs came perfectly, so I didn't even have to trim it or anything. And what's also cool is that you could just adjust the wig, move it back so that it's not too long. So I went ahead and dyed this hair jet black. I used the watercolor method, which is my favorite. It's super easy, no mess, it's just real quick. So I used 2 bottles of Adore jet black in some like steaming hot water, and I just did it in my sink. Put on some gloves because I had white nails, you know, gotta be careful. And yeah, y'all, so this process was really easy, you already know, so it's pretty self-explanatory. So I left the wig in the water mixture with the dye for about a total of 30 minutes just because I wanted to make sure everything was saturated. I wanted to make sure that the color stuck, and you know, I just wanted it to be the most effective way. And what I will say about this hair is that this is probably some of the best hair that I've had in a while. It's just so soft, and I like hair that when you flat iron it and say you don't wear it for a little bit, it doesn't easily like take on the shape of something else. I don't know if that makes sense, but it got really straight. It's so soft and it didn't tangle. It shed a little bit, but you know, that happens. But this hair is definitely one of my top 5, you know, hair that I've experienced. So no issues at all with this hair. After letting the hair sit in the dye for about half an hour, I went ahead and just rinsed it with cold water. I brushed it out, detangled it, make sure it was good, and that took no effort at all. It was not super tangled or anything. Like I said, this is some of the best hair ever that I've had. So I just rinsed it with cold water until the water was clear, and that was it. After this, let it air dry, and then I went to styling it. After letting the wig air dry, this is how it looks. It has a nice, pretty, natural luster to it, which I love, like a nice little wave as well. And when I air dried it, I put a little bit of argan oil, which is a trick that I've told you guys in my previous videos. Once you put a little bit of that in the hair, like say you have body wave or any type of wave, it really makes the wave more defined without being too greasy. You don't have to put a lot of products in it. So that's a trick that I highly recommend. And yeah, the hair is so soft. It was so easy to style and do everything. So I really commend ULAHAIR for this wig. Alright, so this is what I'll be using to get my hair bone straight. I'm using the Duvolle Impulse Infrared Hair Straightener. It's their newest flat iron, which I must say I love all of their flat irons. They're really the best. It goes up to 450 degrees and it has auto turn off, and the titanium plates are just amazing. And for heat protectant, I'll be using ORS Heat Defense Shine Spray, and I'm using this bedhead wax stick. So first off, I'm going to spray the heat protectant right on the top where my bang starts. This is going to give it a nice luster, and then I'm going to go over with my hot comb just to make sure that it lays super flat, because you do not want that cone head look. It's like with bangs, no matter how flat your braids may be under, you just really got to be careful because you don't want it to look too pointy at the top. So that's what I'm doing right now. This extra step really makes all the difference in the end, as well as tying your hair down too. Now I'm going to go track by track with my Duvolle Infrared Flat Iron. I'm going to put it on the highest setting just because, listen, it's weave, so you don't really have to be, you know, too particular about trying to protect it and heat damage. No, turn it up so that your hair gets super straight. So there you go. You see I'm spraying a little bit of the mist. With this heat protectant, you got to be careful because it's also like a shine spray. So if you put too much, it could get oily and you really don't want it to look stringy. So just one mist on each track and then going over with the flat iron really helps, and that's all you need. So as you can see, this flat iron is getting the hair really straight. This hair gets straight so beautifully. It's so like airy and light and just really full of body. So ULAHAIR, like I said, I really commend them for this wig. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. As you can see, this is some beautiful hair. I love the length, I love the density, I love the shine. Like everything about this hair is just perfect. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to check my description box for a coupon code and for additional information on this hair. And I'll see you in my next video.